Short grooves. Okay, this is Jazz Ride with comping. If you haven't watched the Jazz Ride video, go watch that first. Now we're going to be adding in complementary rhythms, or comping with the left hand on the snare. So we're going to play 2 bars on the snare and then it repeats. The first bar, you play the snare on 1, 2, and the of 3. The second bar, you play the snare on the of 1, 2, and 3. See if you can hear that. Here we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Also remember, there are lots of different comping patterns you can play. This is just one example. We're also feathering the kick in this groove, which means we're playing the kick drum very lightly on the quarter notes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Listen back and see if you can hear that. Okay, here I'm playing everything way too hard. The kick, the ride, the snare. There's no finesse, and it's just really sloppy. So in the last Jazz Ride video, I talked about how to play the ride smoothly. If you're having any trouble with your feet with that hi-hat on 2 and 4, check out my hi-hat pedal technique section of my Better Feet course.